Welcome to channel Automation Exercise. In this video, I will talk about user acceptance testing, why and when it is performed, and its types. So let's start. User acceptance testing. It is also called as acceptance testing or end user testing. When there is a need of any software product and all the requirements are clear to the whole team, then at first stage, the development team develops the product, performs unit testing, and when their development is completed, then they provide the software build to testers for its testing. After that, second stage is testing, in which the QA team performs all types of testing to verify the product quality and ensure that the product is defect free. At third stage, once all QA testing is completed, then the user acceptance testing is performed, and it is performed by end users and the actual client to validate that the product is developed as per requirements and it is working as expected. UAT, that is user acceptance testing, is the final stage of software testing before moving the product on live production environment. This testing is performed by end users who will actually use the product or the actual client of the product to confirm that the product is acceptable or not. At last, when UAT is completed and client is satisfied with the product delivery, then the product is launched to live production environment for public use. Why UAT is performed? At stage 2, the QA testing was performed to verify that the product is defect free. At next stage, the UAT is performed to validate that the product is developed as per the expectations and same as the requirements and it is user friendly. Normally, the developers and QA engineers all are technical persons and they test the product as per their understanding. But at the end, the product will be used by normal users. So, this testing is very important before launching the product publicly to verify that whether the product is user friendly or not. When UAT is performed, when the application is completely developed and ready to deliver to client, then the software is ready for user acceptance testing. When the actual requirements document should be completed and up to date. When all types of testing is completed by QA team, like from unit testing up to regression and system testing. When all the bugs which were reported should be fixed and tested, and finally the software is ready. And last, when the client is going to accept the product, but before accepting it, UAT is performed at final stage before moving the product on live environment. Types of user acceptance testing. Alpha testing, beta testing, and gamma testing are performed under user acceptance testing. I will cover all details of alpha, beta, and gamma testing in next videos. Thank you so much. Let me know in comment section on which topics you want next videos, and like, subscribe, and share the channel Automation Exercise.